I need to get it together. It might be time to start considering Botox. It's 4:40 in the afternoon and I feel like I am ready to go to bed for the night. I only had 1 cup of coffee today and it shows. I feel that in the depths of my soul. But if I have another cup of coffee at this point, I might not sleep well tonight. I just don't want to take that risk. I need to pull it together some way, somehow, some shape, some form. Anyway, hey friends, and welcome back to the vlog. I would say welcome back to the weekly vlog, but as evidenced by the past few weeks, it has not exactly been consistent. It's just been a really weird couple of weeks. It's been busy and stressful, but also boring. Like, I really would have struggled to, you know, sit down and chit chat to the camera like this, but equally, I didn't have anything interesting to kind of take you along with me to do. I mentioned this recently, but before Christmas, my mom was diagnosed with breast cancer and she had surgery in January, so she's been recovering from that. Recovery has been not straightforward. So I have been driving her back and forth to the hospital, back and forth to see specialists, back and forth blood tests and doctor's appointments and all that jazz. And she is really on the mend now. Like, she looks so much better. She's finally turned a corner. And we got the news that she is completely cancer free. It's like a weight off of everyone's mind, and it's almost like we were living in this weird limbo situation, kind of just waiting to know, waiting to get that news. And now that we know that it is the best possible outcome, I kind of feel like we can start getting back to a sense of normality. Whatever the heck normality is at this point, you know? So yeah, I haven't been vlogging for the last couple of weeks, and even my kind of like main videos have been a little bit all over the place, a little bit sporadic, but thank you for your patience and your understanding. Let's do a vlog this week. Oh yeah, and for those of you who are new, 10 minutes into this vlog, hi, my name is Amy, and welcome to the very average life of a girl who wants her life to be a little bit less average. I'm on the mission to become the best version of myself, to get out there, to live intentionally, to make my dreams come true, but I have no freaking idea how, because there is no manual, so I am figuring it out as I go and taking you guys along for the ride. So the reason I'm dithering around here right now is because I'm at kind of a weird time. I'm going out for dinner with friends tonight. I'm going to meet up with the girls from my old dance class. I haven't seen them in months, so that'll be really nice. We're going to Nando's, which I didn't realize as a vegetarian that Nando's has so many veggie friendly options, so I'm very excited about that. Love not having to cook, but it's kind of too early to get ready. Since I already have makeup on, I just need to get dressed. But it's not early enough that I can start doing like something else. I'm just kind of sitting twiddling my thumbs a little bit. You know what, maybe I'll touch up my hair, touch up my makeup a little bit, and watch. Even though I have 40 minutes and that's all I need to do, watch, I will still be late. Ready with 3 minutes to spare. Although I haven't actually got my shoes on yet, so I will be ready with no minutes to spare by the time I get down and put my shoes on. So I've opted not to park in the Nando's car park back there because the car park for the retail park is empty because it's closed, and therefore I did not have to try and reverse park, but now I have to walk over there in the rain. That's fine. I don't have a hood, but that's fine. I've said it before and I'll say it again, I suck at getting B-roll. I had the best of intentions to vlog at Nando's the other evening, to even just get a few snippets that I could throw together, put on a little bit of music, you know, make it look half decent, and then I just completely forgot about it. It's one of those things, I got in, I sat down, I started chatting, and I was like, in the back of my mind, oh, I should probably do a little bit of filming, and I thought, that's fine, I've got plenty of time, I'll get around to it, and then just never did. I need to get better at it. I'm aware this is something I'm still working on. It's not like I've been vlogging since 2014 or anything. Anyway, I had a really lovely time. It was so nice to catch up with everyone because I haven't seen them in, some of them I haven't seen in a year, and then some of the other girls I haven't seen in about 6 months. So a lot can happen in that time. A lot of life updates, a lot of drama. My mirror is... Oh my gosh. Where did these forehead wrinkles come from? Oh, do you see those? Those were not there yesterday. Quick, someone do something. Oh my gosh. I don't know what I think I'm achieving by just holding my forehead like this. It might be time to start considering Botox. In other news, I'm getting ready to take my mum over to another hospital appointment, and then we're gonna call in probably my favorite place to call and get coffee. It's called the Secret Bar and Kitchen in Swansea. It is right on the seafront, so you can just like chill, drink your coffee, look at the sea. It's just so picturesque, and they do the best vegan breakfast, and they have matcha latte, which I'd never had until last month when we went there, and now I'm obsessed. If you haven't tried a matcha latte, this is your sign. But the good news is my regular workout class was cancelled this morning. Usually on a Thursday it's step aerobics, and I just get so gross, so sweaty, so just my hair is disgusting. When it's over I need to wash it. It's just a whole ugh. Anyway, gym ghouls, how are you dealing with the hair washing situation? This whole getting sweaty in the morning thing, is there something that we're all doing that I don't know about? How are you managing that? Anyway, they cancelled that and they replaced it with a stretching class, which means I came out feeling really relaxed, not sweaty, not frizzy, not disgusting, and I don't have to worry about looking like something out of Fraggle Rock going to get my coffee and taking my mom to the hospital. So I just need to finish up my makeup and then I will be ready to go. It's still quite early and my brain hasn't kicked in yet. I just got done at the gym. I tried out a new class. I don't remember what it was called, but it was pretty intense. It was like 15 minutes of actual workout time and I burned 128 calories, which seems insane. Everything hurts now. It is a chore to even lift up this coffee cup because my poor arms. Ew, what is that? Did I spill protein shake all over myself? Anyway, I've come to the beach. I'm gonna go for a walk because I don't know why. I would rather just go back to bed, but being out in the sea air will do me good. It is dry for the first time in many moons, many moons. So I'm gonna make the most of it, get some steps in, get some fresh air. I'm taking my coffee with me. Let's roll. Mission accomplished. Tonight we're going out and celebrating my mom's birthday, so I had to run up to town, get some balloons. Got the biggest freaking balloon I've ever seen. The sizes were in inches. I'm a millennial, I don't know inches. So I ended up with this inappropriately large balloon. It's huge. And then I ran it over to the restaurant so that when we arrive, she will see this enormous balloon and know how much she is loved and how little her daughter knows about conversion to inches. I slept until 9:45 this morning, which I think goes to show how exhausted I was, because usually I only sleep until like 7:30 on the weekends, not through choice, but just because once I'm awake, I am awake and I can't go back to sleep. So I've had such a slow day so far today, other than obviously battling with the balloons and the wind and the rain. So now I need to get home, shower, do my makeup, try and look presentable, and then yeah, heading out for a birthday meal. Oh hey, I feel disgusting in every conceivable way today for No real reason. Last night was great. I love Italian food. I genuinely think Italian food might be my favourite cuisine, other than Greek food, but only when I'm in Greece. Anytime I've had Greek food out of Greece, it's just not the same. But when I'm in Greece, Greek food is my favourite. Then Italian, then Mexican. Yeah, I feel quite confident about that. Anyway, we had a really lovely time. It was great. And then I woke up this morning and I just feel like absolute trash for no reason. For some reason my hair is really greasy, even though wash day is not meant to be until tomorrow, but I'm gonna have to wash it this evening. It is disgusting. I decided to try and be economical since I'm not leaving the house today, so I didn't put my contact lenses in because I use dailies and they're pricey. I was like, girl, put your glasses on, save some money. And for some reason the act of putting my contact lenses in with the solution, I can't explain it, but somehow that makes me feel more awake. Maybe it's because it's so ingrained in my morning routine at this point that if I don't do it, I feel like the morning is not done. I don't know, but I've just been sitting around with my glasses on and it makes me feel gross somehow. I don't know, it makes no sense. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I think it's partly because of the weather. It's another like really grey, claustrophobic feeling day where it's just mist and gloom, and I can't. I know I literally complain about the weather in every single video and every single day of my life, but I can't. I need to be in the Maldives right now and I'm not, and it's very upsetting. So, oh, also, one of my nails broke, and I'm not talking like just at the ends, it's broken right down below the skin. So I've had to have this plaster on. I just feel like I'm falling apart. I feel like disgusting. Do you ever have one of those days where you just wake up and you're like crawling in your own skin? Everything. I'm looking around and I'm just like, ew. I'm disgusted by everything. Myself, my room. Ugh. Why is my cactus growing that way? So I need to get it together, and I'm going to use disgust as the driving force of the day. The best thing for me to do today is to do as much productive like cleaning, resetting, making myself feel a bit more together. I want someone else to do it for me, but that's not gonna happen, so let's get started.